Have you got the right documents? If you're applying for a UK visa, you're likely aware of how much is riding on your application. Whether it's reuniting with family or your partner, starting a new job, or pursuing education and higher education in the UK, missing just one single document can mean the difference between your successful application or a stressful delay or even a rejection. In today's video, we're going to go over the essential documents that you need for your UK visa application and, importantly, offer tips on how to ensure nothing is left out. I'm James from Together Again, and I'm here to offer advice and suggestion and hints and tips on applying for a UK visa. First of all, do take my visa readiness quiz to see how well prepared you are. There's a link included below. There are a number of issues to cover when you're applying for a UK visa, and this will give you a score to see how well prepared you are. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear checklist to help you avoid the most common mistakes people make with their documents. Plus, you'll feel much more confident about your application process. Now, we all know how stressful this process can be. What if something goes wrong? What if there are unnecessary delays? What if just one missing document means extra fees or prolonged separation from your loved ones? Or not starting your course on time? In this video, we're here to help ease through some of that stress by guiding you through the must-have documents and how to avoid common pitfalls. First of all, start early. Timing, as I mentioned in previous videos, is extremely important. Give yourself plenty of time to gather documents. Start the process at least 1 year in advance if possible, especially if you're planning to bring family members with you, even just on visitor visas. It's extremely stressful. It's a long process, it's very stressful. It's better to give yourself the best chance by creating space and time for you to gather all the required documents. Next, document preparation is absolutely key. Gathering documents might sound simple, but UK visa regulations and requirements can be very strict. It's not just about having the documents, it's about making sure that they're the right documents. Small mistakes, like an outdated statement or an unsigned form, can cause major setbacks. Next, accuracy is absolutely everything. It's essential that your documents match exactly with the details on your application form. Different names, dates, or addresses, even minor typos, can create doubt about your application and lead to unnecessary and frustrating delays. I think one of the most important parts of the document and the application process is your financial evidence. So do make sure that your bank statements, pay slips, or any other financial documents are official copies, not screenshots. These documents need to be recent and should meet the specified time frame. Missing or incorrect financial documentation is a really common reason for application rejection. Again, do take my visa readiness quiz below to see how prepared you are and whether you're ready to apply now or you need more time. Look at the quiz and you might have a few ideas of things that you need to do and how you can get ahead of the game. Next, and a very important set of documents, is about the proof of relationship. If you're applying to join a family member or partner, make sure you include clear evidence of your relationship. This can include marriage certificates and joint bills that you've paid in common, but it depends on your particular visa and the particular requirements of what UK VI wants you to provide. Next is proof of relationship. If you're applying to join a family member or partner, or applying with your partner, make sure you include evidence of your relationship, like your marriage certificate. Often, the UK requires you to show additional proof, such as joint bills or other evidence, and I'll talk later about that in some of my future videos. These can further strengthen your case and demonstrate the genuineness of your relationship, but make sure you include those documents. Next is English language requirements. For some visa types, and to be honest, most visa types at the moment, proof of English language proficiency is necessary. Ensure you either have a recent valid test result of IELTS or TOEFL, or a degree certificate that meets UK standards. If your degree was earned outside the UK, you may need to get additional verification. And again, that detail is contained in your visa application. If your degree was earned outside the UK, you may need to apply for degree comparability certification very early in the process. Again, please apply early. Again, timing is important there, because applying to get your degree certified or the comparability certified can take a lot of time, and it can cost a lot more if you leave it to the last minute. The next part that's important is getting any translations done. If any of your documents are not in English or Welsh, ensure they are officially translated by a certified translator. Unofficial or incomplete translations can lead to rejection. Again, my visa readiness quiz can help you see how well prepared you are, and if you need to include more time for translations. The link is below. The next point here is a kind of practical one. Do create a checklist. Double check your list of requirement documents. Don't rely on the checklist that you are sent as part of your visa application. And keep a checklist as you go through each one. Review your checklist multiple times before you submit. Even if you think everything is there, just check one last time. Missing even a single document can lead to delays or additional fees if you have to reapply. Getting your visa documents right the first time is crucial to avoid stress, delays, and additional financial costs. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can avoid common mistakes and improve your chances of success. Don't let one missing document stand between you and your goals. By following the simple advice in this video and the brief hints and tips that I've given in this video, you'll be one step closer to submitting a strong, complete application and achieving your dreams in the UK. Or, alternatively, living with your partner in the UK or bringing family and friends to come and visit you. Please check out the next video when I'll be giving more helpful hints on the complicated and stressful UK visa process. Thanks so much for watching, and see you the next time.